What's up, baddies? Welcome and welcome back to my channel. My name is JaiDoesIt if you're new here. So today I'm going to be doing an IPSY unboxing for the month of February. So if you guys would like to see what I received this month, stay tuned. Don't forget to give a huge thumbs up on this video and subscribe. And make sure you hit that notification bell so you guys don't miss any new videos. Okay, period. So this month's theme is IPSY Full Hearts, and it says swoon over the real and totally unfiltered you. Whether it's snapping a glam selfie or cozying up with your favorite rom-com, treat this month as an invitation to fill your heart with what you love. I know that's right. Okay. So let's just get right into it. So this is what the February glam bag looks like. It's leathery kind of with light pink hearts. The zipper is also a heart with IPSY on it, which is really cute. So we have the Benefit Roller Lash Mascara, and that's in the shade Black. And you know Benefit's mascaras are always on point, okay? And then this is so small. We have a mini MAC Fix Plus setting spray. Girl, this is little. My finger is bigger than this. That's weird. Is this a setting spray? This can't be a setting spray. Oh, this is perfect for on the go. Yes, beat face. I like that. That's like one of the first setting sprays I started off with, I think. Was it Fix Plus, or was it that witch hazel stuff? Or was it Mario Badescu? It's between those three books. So next I have this Go To The Removalist, a detoxifying clay mask for a complete clean out. It has a zinc. I like that. But I've never heard of this brand, nor have I seen it advertised anywhere. But that would definitely be cool to try out. You know what I'm saying? Context. So next we have this, I'm guessing it's a lipstick, and it's in the shade 115 Hide Your Heart. You know what? We're gonna go ahead and open it. Okay, so it's like a corally red, not too much on the orange side. It's like a light brick red. Is that the shade I'm looking for? I really don't know how to describe this shade, but it's not a shade that I would typically wear. I can't describe it, but it's cute. Uh-oh. We got one product left in here. So this is the Goldfaden MD Solution Radical Difference Advanced Antioxidant Serum. So I like this. This will help fight those free radicals that we face daily. You know what I'm saying? So that's all we received in the regular glam bag. And the regular glam bag is $13 a month. So next up, let's get onto the big. So the first thing, let me show y'all the bag. So the Glam Bag Plus looks just like the regular Glam Bag, except for it's cloth. It's light pink with red hearts, and it has this red drawstring on it. So the first thing we have is this Sienza Pink Lotus Peptide Renewal Face Cream. This face cream looks really interesting, and I think it's really cool that it has 8 of these ingredients that are essentially pink, which is perfect for this month's theme. What is this? Byrid Fig Renewal Oil. I'm not sure what this is. Warm a few drops in the palms of your hand and apply all over face, neck, and décolletage after cleansing and before or after moisturizing. So I'm guessing it's just in face oil. But it's so pretty. Wow. This bottle is super cute, and it's perfect pink for Valentine's Day. This is really cute. I really love the packaging on this. Byrid. I've never heard of this company, which is one of my favorite things about IPSY, because you don't have to like be so committed. You get to try different things and figure out what you really like, what you didn't know you like, you know, all that jazz. Okay, so this next thing we have, I have gotten brushes. I think it was just one brush from this brand, Firm and Beauty, but this time we got 3 brushes. I think the last brush was like a contoury brush. So the 3 brushes I have, so we have a 205, 301, and 206. So these are the types of brushes we got. You can never have too many brushes, especially as a makeup. Oh, this brush is really firm. I feel like this brush low-key could be good for eyeliner. It's really like firm and precise. But I'm surprised this eyeliner looking brush isn't as firm. So next we have, what is this? So this is what we have. It looks like some eye pencils or lip pencils. Beauty for real. Okay, these are gel eyeliners. I have the shade Heaven's Door and Night Fever. Oh, I do like that it is a retractable eye pencil, so you won't need a sharpener at all. So that first one was, what shape was that? Night Fever. So this is, what is this? Heaven's Door. I think Heaven's Door will be really cute to add to your waterline. It's more shimmering than I expected, but it could be for your waterline. Oh, this one has some shimmer in it too. So these are those eyeliners. I don't know how to say this. Persephone? Dito? Persephone. Persephone. Well, this next thing I have is a Dito Persephone palette. That's what the box looks like. Let's see what the inside looks like. I'm scared because y'all know looks can be deceiving. Oh, it's still looking really cute. Let me show you again up close, up close, up close, in person now. Wow, she did not disappoint the girls. This is a really pretty palette. So that's all we received in the Glam Bag. Plus there is another Glam Bag that is above that one, which is the Glam Bag X. I think that one is like $50 a month. Oh Lord, let me not start quoting prices and be wrong. Loud and wrong. Okay. So the regular Glam Bag is $13 a month. The Glam Bag Plus is $28 a month for 5 full-size products. And then the Glam Bag X is $55 a month for 7 to 8 full-size products. So like I said, the Glam Bag Plus is only $28 a month for 5 full-size products. And the total of the products that we received this month was boom. Boom. Okay? Yes, so it's a win-win situation, but you can lose because you might receive some products you don't like that month. But you could always re-gift it, give it to your mama, your sister, your dad. So baddies, that's the end of this video. I hope you guys really enjoyed this month's unboxing. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to let me know down below. And until next time, bye.
You see money all around me. I look like I'm the man. Yeah, but I was counting out like last week. Tell me where have you been?